Good afternoon.
What's your name?
Okay, my name is Fedilawati. You can call me Miss Fair. Actually, my members up and they call me like that.
Miss Faye.
Yes.
Miss Faye, I want to ask you about something.
Okay.
What will you choose between grammar or speaking? I mean, what is the more important, speaking or grammar?
Okay, according to my opinion, I will choose speaking because yes, everyone has choices, right? So
Yeah.
if you ask me about grammar among speaking, so that I choose speaking.
Why you choose speaking? I think if you choose speaking but you don't understand about grammar, I think you cannot speak well.
Yeah. Your opinion is right, but for me, because speaking easy for me, and then I like speaking, and then for the last reason is I know that I very weak in grammar, so that I choose speaking.
Do you think that grammar is difficult?
Yeah, difficult. Maybe uh, in my brain, I always think that grammar very difficult for me, so that I cannot to learn well about grammar. So that I think speaking more interesting and easier than grammar.
Yeah. But if I think if you want to enter the university, maybe or the international school, I think you have to finish the exam about English, and I think most of the exam is about grammar, about writing. If you don't like grammar, I think you cannot do the exam well.
Yeah, I know that every university has exam, especially about TOEFL. So about TOEFL is includes grammar. But I think for me myself, for the first I will learn about speaking first. Later, for the grammar will be followed. If I can speak English first, so that later I will be study about grammar because I think if I can speak first and then grammar will be followed by speaking.
Grammar will be followed. But I think if you ask them about speaking with the judge, I mean, how to say, jury judge, I think he will give you the bad tell you the bad tell you if your grammar is not good when you speak like that. No, so I think you have to saying that grammar is more important than speaking, because with the good grammar you can speak well, you can speak English better than before.
Yeah, okay. I accept your opinion, but in my opinion, okay, you said that grammar important. Okay, if we know that about grammar, so that we can speak English well.
Yeah.
But sometimes I saw that some people, if they want to speak by grammar, so difficult to say something. Always think about grammar. But if I just try to speak without grammar, it is easy for me. Okay, speaking with the grammar is very suitable, right?
Yeah.
To make a sentence will be good then if I said without grammar. But as I know, and then I ever said to you last time, um, if I said something without feel about grammar, easier to say something. Yeah, that's my reason.
Oh yeah. But I think you can study little by little about grammar. If you always study about grammar, I think you can speak English with grammar, because I think actually more grammar is easy we always use the grammar if we speak. But if we speak without grammar, it can be more difficult because we never use the grammar when we speak. So I think we have to usually kita membiasakan use yourself to speak English with grammar like that.
The main point, in your opinion, is make a grammar, speak with grammar to our habit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand. You said that if we want to enter university or others, of course we do exam to get the value, good value. But I think if we want to enter to job or looking for good job, especially in English, the first time is do interview. So
Yeah.
if we do interview like you and me,
Yeah.
so that we do speaking first, right?
Yeah.
No, not writing.
Yeah.
So what do you think about that?
But I think if you look for the job and you get interview with the owner of the factory, I think he can choose you if you can speak with good grammar because grammar is the ruler to speak in the ruler of English. The good English will make the good grammar. Will make grammar. If we don't make grammar, our speak will be not too good. If we speak with grammar, it can better than without grammar.
Yes, that is from Indonesian people, but sometimes I ever seen the from abroad. Yeah, actually, yes, especially tourists that speak without grammar, but we understand each other. But in Indonesian people always think about grammar because they learn about grammar first.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that because we are from Indonesia, so that we must learn grammar first. Um, yeah, I agree with your statement that you said to me last time. I thought that grammar difficult for me because in my brain I always think and always said that grammar very difficult. But if I try little by little, maybe I can do that well. Okay, I think I agree with your statement now because your opinion is suitable to get speak well. Yeah.
I think yes, I agree with you that speaking and grammar is important. Both of them is important, but we just ask to choose what is the more important like that.
Yeah,
Uh,
I think all of grammar and speaking will be perfect if we use that all of and we make a comment, right?
yeah.
Okay.
I
Uh,
think with
mhm.
grammar we can speak well, we can write well, we can
Mhm.
read well if we understand about grammar.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we get the point.
Yeah.
The conclusion of our topic today is about the most important is grammar first, then the speaking will be followed by grammar. Okay?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, welcome. Good luck for you.
Okay. Thank
Bye.
you.